After publishing a landing page form to your customers, you're going to need a way to view the results and even share your findings with others at your company. In this video, I want to show you how to view the result of your landing page surveys and even export it to a shareable PDF file. I've already logged into my ACT database and I've clicked Marketing Automation in the left navigation. From here, I've clicked Landing Pages at the top of the screen. Now let's locate my specific landing page. I want to view the results from my satisfaction survey, so I'm going to click the button for it to load the landing page workflow. This workflow is quite simple. It only contains a form, but I know I've been receiving lots of responses so far. So to view the survey report, I'll go to my Actions menu on the right and choose Survey Report. This screen displays grids, charts, and graphs for each of the questions from my form, but it only lists the ones that I've set for display, and I'll show you how to change that at the end of this video. But first, let's look at this screen. My first question was a multi-selection checkbox, and I've chosen the report to display the responses as a bar chart. If I hover over each of these bars, I'll see the information specific to that response. Next, I have a question that contained a text field. It's difficult to graph this type of question, so I chose to display all the responses as a grid sorted by a timestamp. This is pretty raw data, but I can always import this into a spreadsheet if I want to sort and count the common responses. Scrolling down, I have two pie charts. These come from single response questions on my form. The pie charts indicate the number of responses and the percentage for each answer, but I can hover over the sections of the chart to see the exact response. It's also located in the legend at the bottom of the chart. Everything looks good so far, but how do we share this report with others? Let's export it to a PDF file by going to the Actions menu, and then I'll choose Export to PDF. The file will be generated and displayed at the bottom of my browser window. So I'm going to click on it to open it. Now we have a clean looking report that we can share with others at the company. So how do you designate which form questions are displayed on the survey report and which are not? I need to go back to my workflow. So I'll click Return, and on the workflow I'm going to click the form box, and now I'll edit this form and click Go. This is going to show me every question that I have on my form. And as you can see, I have questions for name and email at the top that were never displayed on my survey report. Let's say that I wanted to include all of the email addresses on the report itself. I'll click the pencil icon to edit this question. And now I'm going to locate the field that says Survey Graph Type. It's currently set as Do Not Display, and that's why there were no email addresses listed on my report. But if I change it to Grid, now the email addresses will be displayed in a list on the report. So I'm going to go to Actions, Save and Return, and then again from the form screen, Save and Return. Now from the workflow screen, I'll go to Actions one more time and click Survey Report. And now, since the email question appeared above the other ones on my form, the email addresses will be listed as a grid at the top of the survey report.